Let's unbox the newest camera I just got. Yes, I'm calling it a camera because the moment I opened the Nothing Phone 3a Lite, I already knew this wasn't just another smartphone. The clean packaging, the minimalist vibe, and that signature nothing design instantly set the mood. This felt like the start of a creative upgrade. The main reason I bought the Nothing Phone 3a Lite, simple. The camera is top-notch. I wanted a phone that could capture moments exactly the way my eyes see them, sharp, vibrant, and full of life without needing heavy edits or extra gear. This phone promised that, and I was ready to test it. Physically, the Nothing Phone 3a Lite is a head-turner. The transparent-inspired design looks futuristic yet clean, making it stand out from the crowd instantly. It's slim, lightweight, and comfortable to hold, proving that style and practicality can exist together. The build feels solid and premium in hand, with a smooth finish that doesn't feel cheap or fragile. The button placement is intuitive, the grip feels natural, and everything about the phone screams thoughtful design. It's the kind of phone you enjoy using and showing off. Flip to the front, and the display completes the experience. The screen is bright, crisp, and immersive, making photos, videos, and daily scrolling feel smooth and enjoyable. Whether you're editing shots or watching content, everything looks clean and vibrant. Now let's talk system. The Nothing OS is refreshingly simple, no clutter. No unnecessary apps, just a clean and fluid interface. It feels fast, responsive, and easy to navigate, letting you focus on what matters instead of fighting with settings. What really stands out is how well the system works with the camera. Switching modes is smooth, capturing photos is instant, and processing feels quick and reliable. It's built for people who love shooting on the go without missing a moment. The camera performance is where this phone truly shines. Photos come out sharp with natural colors, balanced lighting, and impressive detail even in challenging conditions. It captures depth beautifully, making everyday shots look professional. Low light shots are especially impressive. Night photos stay clear and bright without looking overprocessed, keeping details intact while reducing noise. Whether it's city lights or cozy indoor scenes, the results are consistently stunning. Portrait shots look clean and refined, with accurate edge detection and pleasing background blur. The subject stays sharp, the tones feel natural, and every photo feels social media ready straight out of the camera. From casual street photography to food shots, selfies, and travel moments, the Nothing Phone 3a Lite proves it's more than capable. It turns everyday scenes into share-worthy memories, making photography feel effortless and fun. If you're looking for a phone that blends standout design, a smooth system, and a camera that truly delivers, the Nothing Phone 3a Lite is a must-have. It's perfect for creators, storytellers, and anyone who wants powerful photography in a stylish, easy-to-use device. Once you unbox it, you'll understand why it's worth it. Follow me for more amazing and best finds.